Hello everyone, so in this video let us talk about one more easy problem from LeetCode. The problem name is calculate digit sum of a string. The problem statement goes like this, that you're given a string s consisting of digits and an integer k. As you can see, you're given a string of digits and integer k. Now a round can be completed if the length of s is greater than k. In one round, do the following. So if the string length is greater than k, you have to perform one round, and in one round we will have to do the following thing. What we'll do: divide s into consecutive groups of size k, and then the first characters in the first is the first group, the next characters is the second group, and so on. So we have to take this string, divide it into size of k. So let's say here k is equal to 3, so we have to divide it in size of 3. I'm missing this, but like first three. Okay, it's very also here as well, but yeah. So we have to divide it into size of size k. So let's say 1 1 1, then how many? 1 2 5. So 1 2 3 4 5, then 1 2 1 2 5 3 4 5, and then 3. So sizes of k equal to 3. So this is one thing, then this is 1, this is 1, and so this are the groups that we actually have to form of size k. The last one that is smaller than the size of k is have to also be have taken as a size group as. Replace each group of s with a string representing the sum of all its digits. You have to do the sum of all its digits and then represent it as a new number. So this will become 3, this will become, as you can see, 4, 2 3 4, this will become 6, 5. So the new number will become 3 4 5. Then you have to again the same thing, and you have to keep on doing that you will have to merge them again to form a new number, and then again form a group of k. This, now you will sum all of them, this will become 13 5, and you have to keep on doing this until you land upon a segment which is of size less than equal to k, because now you cannot like divide it more because it's already a size of k. So when you reach that, the answer is this. Okay, so that's the complete thing that you have to actually have to do. So you have to keep on doing this thing. So it's pretty much simple that you have to recursively do the same thing again and again on the same string, like keep on dividing it into size of k, and then like find out the sum of the digits, then merge them back, and whatever the new string, keep on doing that until the size of the string becomes less than equal. So that's a complete thing. You have to just write it down in the form of a function, a recursive function, and then keep on doing the same. So nothing much complicated here itself. We just have to find out how to implement it. The actual overall logic is very simple. So what we have done is that in the code part now, what we have done is that we have written a while loop, and this while loop is actually what you can see here is keep on calling this shorten function. This shorten function will keep on calling the shorten function. What this shorten function will do, it will shorten the string up according to this given constraints, and it will keep on doing this until the total length of the string s that we are doing this operation on is greater than k. If it is more than k, we'll keep on doing. In the end, if it becomes less than equal to k, then return the string, the new formed answer string. Now this function will do the operation that we have given it as a constraints, and it will return the new updated string as output, and we will update it to this. So what we are doing is that we have to find out and break this string into smaller strings of size k. So we are doing a for loop over this string, and what we'll do is that if it is a multiple of k, which means that if it is a multiple of k, which means that we have reached the very end of the bracket, then we have to take whatever we have done till now and like add it. So I'll tell you why, what we're doing, trying to do here, that we will do a for loop using a for loop, let's say I equal to 0, I equal to 1, and so on, and keep on adding whatever digit here is. So we have to keep on adding the sum of all the digits in this particular bracket range. So how you can do that? This is all characters. So we have to back convert this character and subtract it from 0, like which is the character form, so that it will become the actual value. Whatever the character value is, we will back convert it and keep it adding in the sum, so that we can get the sum of this particular bracket of size k. And whenever this size k bracket is done, that I mod k equal to 0, which means that now we have completed the bracket, the sum of all of them, then we'll back convert whatever sum we have to a string. So let's say we have converted the sum, which is 3. So I will back convert it to a string so that we can join it again, all these different numbers back. So we'll convert it back to a string, and then we can append all these string to form the new string, as you can see here. So we have to now back convert all of them, whatever we have find out for all these brackets of size k, whatever sum we have, we will back convert it to a string, add it to this final answer that we have to form, and then make our sum equal to 0 for starting to a new bracket of size k. That is how you can form all of them. In the end, if some digits are left which is not completely filled and make the last bracket, so you can also add those sum value, convert it to a string, and add it to the answer. This answer is now holding the concatenation of the new digits that are formed by adding all the digits in the string which are there, such that those brackets are of size. Okay, so we are like doing this, and the end we have the new concatenated string, and we just return the string, and we will keep on doing this. So this new string will be returned, this new string will be replaced, and then again a while loop will be there, and so this is just a while loop. We can also do this in a recursive manner, but this is just a while loop. Keep on doing this while loop and call this shorten function to perform this. And the end we have got our final shorten string. So we can, nothing much complicated here itself as well. This is a short code of whatever logic that we have learned. We have to just write down the logic here. You can write down this logic here in the here as well, but it's better to write it down in a function call so that you can become much easier to read. That's the logical code part for this particular problem. If you still have any doubts, you can mention in the comment box for this particular video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep coding and bye.